Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry milkshake juice easy method. Gather 1 cup fresh strawberries, 1 cup milk, 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, and 1 tablespoon sugar right away. Rinse and hull strawberries, then place them into a blender with milk and sugar. Blend on medium until smooth, then add ice cream and pulse to combine. Taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into chilled glass and enjoy this simple treat. In this video, I will show how to make strawberry milkshake juice easy method. Begin by adding strawberries and milk to a blender and blend for about 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. Add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream and pulse just enough to combine while keeping creaminess. Taste and add 1 tablespoon sugar if needed. Pour into a chilled glass, garnish with a strawberry, and serve immediately for best froth and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make strawberry milkshake juice easy method. Try frozen strawberries for a thicker texture, or add an extra scoop of ice cream when you want richness. Swap regular milk for almond milk or oat milk to make a dairy-free version that still tastes creamy. A splash of vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of salt can really brighten flavors. Experiment with honey instead of sugar if you prefer natural sweeteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.